Hi, my name is Ms. Norris, and I am representing BCDI-Charlotte, Black Child Development Institute of Charlotte. And today, I'm reading a story called Peanut Butter Fudge by Toni Morrison and Slade Morrison, illustrated by Joe Cepeda. Mom's instructions: 12 o'clock lunch, peas, carrot sticks, fish fingers. 1:15 nap, 2:25 playground. 4 o'clock television, 5 o'clock dinner, hot dogs, macaroni and cheese. 6:30 bath, 7:15 snack, granola bar. 7:30 bed. I will be back at bedtime. Mommy. Snuggle, snuggle, time to rest. Nana joins us in her nest. Naptime, naptime is not so long when Nana sings a sleepy song. Looky, look, we get to get a storybook. Fairies, dragons everywhere. Creepy things under the stairs. Pots of gold, a laughing mouse, a peppermint chimney on a house. Hurry, hurry, hop in the car. Let's go fast, let's go far. All around, up and down, Nana takes us through the town. Yummy, lummy, so much happy in the tummy. Look at what our Nana made us. Biscuits, ham, and lemonade us. Oh my goodness, Nana's sick. Help, find the doctor kid. She's got a fever, her face is hot. Get some water, pour a lot. Band-aid for her toes, Band-aid for her nose. Doctor says you need rest. Quiet while we check your chest. Be good, Nana. Take a vitamin pill. We'll make you well. You bet we will. Hold my hand and swing around. Feel the rhythm in the ground. Lift your left foot, now you're right. Shake your shoulders with all your might. Let's make the kitty cat. I've got one paw. I've got two. Here's his tail and whiskers too. Here's his play toy, but it doesn't belong. The shape is right, but the color is wrong. Patience, patience, no need for haste. Every piece has its place. Peanut butter fudge. Mommy's coming any minute. Quick, quick, let's begin it. Shh, don't tell, but I can't help it. This recipe is a family secret. Mix it, cook it, cool it, eat it. My mother taught me, and I taught yours. Don't ever forget how it's done, for you will have to pass it on. Ticky-tock, can we beat that big old clock? Peanut butter, Nana is the best grandmother. Give me a kiss, give me a hug. Peanut butter fudge. And that's the end of the story called Peanut Butter Fudge. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.